Hello, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to STDFarms. If today is your first time, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscription button down there and let's keep learning. Today we are going to learn a lot of things, so stay tuned with us as I bring you everything you need to know about farming.
See, this is not a peace song, it's a love song. Peace and Ghana getting married, keep the love strong. See, a peace we cannot risk. War at home is like cardiac arrest, cause home is where the heart is. Let the trumpet sound victory. The battle that we won is a battle for a peace. We promise.
Hello, welcome back to our channel once again. Today, as we said, we are on our learning process. We are in one farm here. We invited the farm manager that we want to meet the farm manager. The farm manager gave us an appointment to come and have a discussion with them. So we are here to learn more about the animals that they have here. At this part, they've divided the animals in about 4 or 5 groups here. What they do is they divide them according to their stages, their ages, and their periods. Here, these animals in the first stage are the one who have already given birth, so they are there waiting for the males to cross them again. This second line are the other animals that are in their puberty. They are ready for crossing, so they've mixed them with some males and they are crossing them. That's the second line, third line, and the fourth line. So let's go to the fifth line and let's see what they have over there as well. In the fifth line, there are kids 3 to 4 months that have been weaned from their mother. So when we say they have been weaned, that means they have been separated from their mothers. They are called weaners. So when you separate a sheep or a goat from its mother, you are weaning them. So these are the weaned ones. Okay, we are going to the other side to see what they have in the farm. So as you stay tuned and join, let's keep going and see what they have here. I hope you are enjoying, so don't forget to comment, like, and share. You have been doing well, but it's just like you don't share the video. You have to share so that we'll be bringing you updates. These are the pregnant ones. These are the pregnant ones. When they are pregnant, they separate them from the other side. This is where they put them. They've divided them into groups again. So they've divided them into 5 groups. These are the pregnant ones. When they hear something, they will, start running. And these are the kids. Just look at how nice they are. Wow! I hope you love them. You love kids. These are 1 month kids, about 3 to 1 month kids. And here we have the newborn babies here. These are almost 1 week to 2 weeks. These are the kids. They are feeding. They have separated the kids from their parents for now because they don't want any disruption and hard cost. So that's why they've separated them. Just look at their feeding process, how this one is feeding. Let me, drag it small, you see. Very nice. Where will you get this information if not STD? STD, we are going into details. We are bringing you everything you need to know about farming so that you can start something. We want the youth to, start doing something because we can't be, waiting for the government to provide jobs. There are jobs in our arms, but we don't know. So you have to start something. are taking it to another angle so that you see how the pen is being divided according to their size, age. Just look at the path you walk through when you want to go or when you want to get access to a pen, a particular pen. Just look at how these are the pregnant ones. They can give birth at any time. Just look at them. Yeah. And we have the ones ready for crossing here. Just look at the pregnant ones once more. How they are moving in numbers. How lovely they are. Okay, you can't do agriculture or you can't do livestock without your own fish. So just look at how they've kept studying their animals. These people are serious. When we say these people are serious, I really mean that they are serious. They've made a hay just to feed their animals, so the animals have food. This is what we have in Africa, but we don't know how to utilize it. We have the grass, we have the soil to produce all these things, so we can feed our nation and we can feed our animals as well. This is the alfalfa. This is how the alfalfa looks like. A hay of alfalfa, and different packages feed their animals. You can't do livestock without feed. And this another feed. This one, they are the series they use to mix and feed the animals. Let's look at maize. For this other feed, actually I don't know, so I have to learn more about it. So they mix this feed to also feed them. Coming out of the farm, you will notice different things happening. If you want to run a farm, you need to get your own source of electricity. You need to get your source of power. And I think this farm is using the solar system to power all their machines there. And let's see how the panels looks like. I can see some panels there. Let me go. These are the solar panels they have here to power their farm. They have a lot of panels here. And this is the alfalfa that we've been talking about. A lot of people have heard the alfalfa, but they don't know what the alfalfa looks like. This is the alfalfa. You see, they planted alfalfa and they have their irrigation system. You see a pipe being connected. That's the irrigation system. So they don't wait for rain to fall before they harvest and feed their animals. Anytime they have access to water, when they need their grass, they will just splash and pump the water so that their plants will grow. This is the alfalfa. Hello, we are here again, and I hope you enjoy watching the video. Without STD, you will not know anything about agriculture, so subscribe to our channel and remember STD Farm, we are the best.